Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, in arithmetic progression, we are going to learn the general term, and you'll come to know that so many situations into your life. One brick is placed in first row. How many bricks are there in fourth row? If the first row is containing the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, second row is containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First row is containing things like this. So many bricks are there in to form this pyramid. And how many bricks are used in 54th row? So such type of the situations will come into your daily life situations. So to use these means to find these type of the problems, we use the progressions like this. So many different situations are there, so many patterns you will see that. So to find out these, to solve these type of the problems in your daily life, arithmetic progression used, and you are going to have the progressions, mein arithmetic progression, geometric progression, and harmonic progression. But you are going to learn here in your 10th class only arithmetic progression. In about the geometric progression, you'll learn in 11th class. Okay. So identifying an arithmetic progression. First, given progression is an arithmetic progression or not, defining arithmetic progression and calculating the common difference, and derive and apply the formula of the general term. So these are the things we are going to learn here in this topic. Okay. So here, whenever you are taking into consider, some progressions are given, some list of the numbers are given, 2, 4, 6, 8. So what will be the next term in that pattern whenever you said? You can say that what will be the place of the question mark we are going to have. There is a see difference between 2 को 2 ऐड कर लिया तो 4 आएगा, एंड 4 को 2 ऐड कर लिया तो 6, 6 को 2 ऐड कर लिया तो 8, एंड 8 को 2 ऐड कर लिया तो नेक्स्ट टर्म. So that means 2 is constantly going on adding to the previous term to get the next term, isn't it? In this situation, in the same way, whenever you are going to get 10, and 1 by 2 ko minus 1 by 2 ko, what if you are adding, you will get 0 plus 1 by 2.
Sir, half.
Yes, half. So here this half is a common difference in this situation. And coming to the next situation, 4, 9, 11, 13 is given to you. 4, 9, 11, 13. Okay. So secondly, next situation, minus 8, minus 5, 0, 1. So here, these are not having a same difference. Say difference is 2, 5, 2, 2. So what is the next term means? We cannot say that. This is just a sequence. It's not a progression, and it's not an arithmetic progression. Okay. Sequence, ये दोनों sequence होता है. Sequence बोलते हैं. Sequence is nothing but just list of the numbers. About the sequences and series is clearly you are going to learn in your 11th class. So these two first two are arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is nothing but arithmetic progression is sequence of the numbers or the terms in which each term is obtained by adding a constant to the preceding term. And the constant what we are adding is called common difference, which is denoted by d, small d. Small d से represent करते हैं. Okay. So and here you need to note that d is not a constant, is not constant, then then the sequence is not an arithmetic progression. If it is not a constant, same if that sequence what you are getting is not an arithmetic progression. So here deriving the formula of arithmetic progression. So sixth term of the what is the sequence? 2, 4, 6, 8. So you 30th term of the sequence, minus 15, minus 11, minus 7, minus 3. So here like this, and another John has an account in the bank. He deposit 100 rupees in his bank in the first week, and later he deposit 25 rupees in the account every week. So what will be the amount in his account at the end of the 20th week? This is just application. First two are directly problems given to you. Next one is application. So whenever you observe that, first two things, first one, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we can be find out the sixth term. So that is to find out you need a general term or nth term of an arithmetic progression. Okay. So John has first week में 100 rupees है in his account. Later he deposit 25 rupees. So 25 is he's adding every time. So D is 25 every week. So what will be the amount in his account at the end of 20th week? So second week में 25 add कर, third week में और 2 times 25 add कर, third week में. So 20th week में 19 times 25 you have to add to the 100. 19 times 25 you have to add to the 100. Okay, because if you see that, observe properly, second week में कितना अमाउंट बोले तो 1 time 125 added to the 100. So A is the 100 is the first term, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, 20th term is A plus 19D. Like that nth term if you want to. So it is denoted by either A1, A2, A3, A20 or T1 also can be represented. In some books it will be given. In your textbook it is given A1, but here it is given T1. T1 also can be represented. Term 1, term 2, term 3. Either A1, A2, A3, like that also it will be represented. So A2 is nothing but A plus, T2 is nothing but here A2 also you can say A plus 2 minus 1 into T. Like the 20th term is nothing but 100 plus 20 minus 1. So 90 into 25. So you are going to get 575. 575 you are going to get it. So here 20th week mein, the amount he is having is 575. Is it visible to you that 575? Hello? The last line is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
John's total savings in 20th week is to 575. Okay? So now the general term formula is, actually usually it is represented with an, that is A plus n minus 1 into t. And here A is the first term, t is the common difference. And n is the number of the terms of the arithmetic progression. Number of the terms of an arithmetic progression. Okay? So number of the terms, if you want to find out here, nth term minus A, you have to be. So sum of the n terms. Sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression. Okay, so first step में 2 है, second step में some bricks, third step को 25 steps में some bricks are placed, a mason is going on placing, and total how many bricks I need to construct this type of the steps whenever it is taking into consideration, he will get them. So for that type of the problems you need sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression. So derivation of the formula of sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression and apply the formula to calculate the sum of the n terms of the given problem. Okay, these things we are going to learn now. Okay, so AP is displaying an interesting property that can help us to derive the generic formula for calculating sum of the n terms. Okay, so let us see the one example we will take into consider. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And here for the 2, if you add 2, you are going to get 14 here. Next term is here 14 is given. So suppose if you are taking into 12 and 2 if you add 14 you will get 10, and 4 if you add 14 you will get, and 6 and 8 if you add 14 you are going to get. First term and last term, second term and last second term you add in arithmetic progression, whatever it is taking into consider, you are going to get the 14 only. So that is nothing but reverse of arithmetic. So if you write here that same arithmetic progression in a reversing order, 12, 10, 8, 6, and this 12 and 2 if you add 14 you are going to get, 10 and 4 if you add 14 you are going to get, 8 and 6 if you add 14 you are going to get. Every time you are going to get 14. Okay. So with the help of this, we are going to derive the formula sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression. So see here, first term is A. Same concept is used. Second term is A plus D. And if you continue, A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 2 into D, A plus n minus 1 into D. The same terms, total sum is considered as a S, or you can consider Sn also. And same terms you write in a reverse order. A plus n minus 1 into d first, a plus n minus 2 into d next, and a plus d and a. And when you add the first and last term, this sum is also represented as a S or Sn. And you add. So what you are going to get? Every sum you are going to get 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1. So this you are going to get n times. Total n times will be there. Because starting say ending that you are having n number of the terms. So n terms we are going to have. So the total sum will be is equals to n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is double times of the sum because we are adding the same sum two times. So s plus s. So 2s here. So 2s is equals to n into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Okay. So s is equals to what you will get here n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into t. N by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1. So this is sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression formula. Okay. Or you can write that as same as n by 2 of a plus l. So here a is first term and l is called last term because the same 2a plus n minus 1 into d can be written as a plus a into n minus 1. No, the same meson, whatever the he is calculating, he is having a staircases and every step needs the 4 bricks to be added to the previous step. So every step for 4 steps he needed if he continues. First step 4, second step 8, and next third step 12, and he continues. So first term is equals to a, and the common difference is equals to 4, and 25 steps. So how many steps he need? Number of terms is 25. Total number of the bricks required in all staircases is nothing but n should be taken as a 25. So sum of the terms is equals to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is equals to here 25, and replacing that n with the 25, we are going to get it as a required answer. So that is 25 by 2 of 104 you will get at last. And on simplifying it, 1300. So 1300 bricks are needed for the maison for constructing of the staircases. So like this in your daily life, different situations you can take into consider and you can find out the sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression. So this is the arithmetic progression revision